Question. Show that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth term of NAP is equal to twice the mth term. हमें सिद्ध करना है कि m प्लस nवां पद और m माइनस nवां पद का योगफल उस समांतर श्रेणी के mवां पद का दुगुना होगा. Let first term of AP is A and common difference is D. Then we have to prove T m plus n plus T m minus n is equal to 2 Tm. Left hand side. A plus m plus 1 minus 1 into D plus A plus m minus n minus 1 D. A plus A 2A. Taking D common from these two terms, m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 plus n minus n cancel, m plus n 2m minus 1 minus 2, 2m minus 2 is equal to 2a plus 2 कॉमन ले लिया, m minus 1 into d is equal to पूरे में से 2 कॉमन ले लिया, a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 2. This is mth term 2Tm, hence proved. Question. If the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. यदि तीन संख्याएं जो AP में है उनका योगफल 24 है और उनका गुणनफल 440 है तो वे संख्याएं ज्ञात करना है. Let the three numbers in AP are A minus D, A and A plus D. As for first condition, sum is equal to 24. A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. Minus D plus D cancel, A plus A 3A is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 by 3 is equal to 8. As per second condition, their product is 440. A minus D into A into A plus D is equal to 440. Putting the value of A, 8 minus D into 8 into 8 plus D is equal to 440. 8 minus D into 8 plus D is equal to 8 square minus D square is equal to 8 को इधर ले आया 64 माइनस डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 55 और डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 64 माइनस 55 और डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9. डी इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3. टेकिंग A is equal to 8 and D is equal to plus 3. The three numbers are a minus d a plus d, 8 minus 3, 8 plus 3, 5, 8, 11. Taking a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 3. Three numbers are 8 minus 3, a 8, a plus d, 8 plus minus 3, 8 plus 3, 8, 8 minus 3, 11, 8, 5. Answer. Required 3 numbers are 5, 8, 11 or 11, 8, 5. Question. Let the sum of n to n 3n terms of an AP be S1, S2 and S3 respectively, so that S3 is equal to 3, S2 minus S1. यदि किसी समता श्रेणी के n to n और 3n पदों का योगफल क्रमशः S1, S2 और S3 हैं तो हमें ये सिद्ध करना है. लेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP इज A and common difference is D. Then S1 is equal to sum of n terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Number 1. S2 is equal to sum of 2n terms is S2, 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Number 2. And S3 is equal to sum of 3n terms S3, number of terms upon 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Number 3. Now S2 minus S1 is equal to from 1 and 2, 2n upon 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 in d minus n by 2, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, taking n by 2 common, multiplying this terms by 2, 2 को अंदर ले गए, 4a plus 4n minus 2 into d. Taking n by 2 common, 4a plus 4n minus 2 d minus 2a minus n minus 1 into d. 4a minus 2a, 2a, d कॉमन ले लिया यहाँ से, 4n minus 2 minus n minus into minus plus 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This is multiplying both sides by 3. Three S2 minus S1 is equal to 3n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 3n minus 1 into d is equal to from 2. This is S2, S3. Proved.